Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the Angular Reactive Forms. So 5 critical mistakes and how to fix them. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So mistake number 1, forgetting to unsubscribe from the value changes. So what we do, we always subscribe the form with value changes but forgot to unsubscribe it. Okay, so this is a bad code, right? And how to fix them? So you have to use take until. Okay, so make sure you have to use the take until from the rxjs operator, and this is how you are going to do that. Form dot get email value changes pipe take until, then destroyed. Okay, new subject, and then subscribe the value. Okay, so this is how you have to subscribe then unsubscribe it. Okay, next one on ng on destroyed, you can do the this way also. Okay, so mistake number 2, not initializing the form early. So problem, accessing the form in the HTML before it is created. Errors like cannot read the property of undefined reading controls. So sometimes you get this answer, right? So how to fix them? So the reason is you have to initialize the form with empty values. Okay, so this is what you have to initialize it, or you can do the patch data later but initialize the form here. Okay, so on nginit you can initialize it, right? So very important. Next code, mistake number 3, that is overcomplicated validators. Validators become huge and the messy inside the form validator. So here you can see that control includes this, then form like this. So how you are going to make it more cleaner? So you have to create a custom validator and then you have to use it. So this is custom validator, I'm going to use it, and here I'm just import it. Okay, then like this company validator, simple, neat and clean. Okay, so use that one. Mutating the form values directly, so directly setting the values breaks the reactive flow. Okay, like here you can see form controls dot email dot value, here you are mutating, which is the wrong. What would the fix? Okay, good code. So this dot form patch value. Okay, so you can use the patch value to update your code, right? Or if they're setting the entire form, so you can do like the set value email name like this. Okay, so this is how you can do that. Mistake number 5, ignoring the status changes. So sometimes my form is valid or invalid. Okay, not reacting when a form becomes valid or not valid. So here you can just do that this dot save data, submitting form without checking the validity. Okay, so what about the fix? Good code quality, react to the status changes. So this form status changes, then subscribe the status whether the form is valid or invalid according to it. If the form this dot form is valid, then save the data, else this dot form marked all as touched. Okay, so when the form is valid, then save the data, then send the data into the API. Correct. The last point, closing tip, small mistakes in reactive forms can lead to the huge bugs. Stay clean, organized and reactive. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.